Hey guys, welcome to this Apple AirTag guide, and here I'll detail how to reset AirTag without iPhone. So if your AirTag and your iPhone are both paired together and now you want to reset the Apple AirTag without using your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, where you want to reset your Apple AirTag without your iPhone, is first you need to open the battery cover. Just press and hold it like this and then turn it to the left. Then this is going to open the battery cover on your Apple AirTag. Now to reset the Apple AirTag without your iPhone, remove the battery from the AirTag, place it again and then press it. Then you're going to hear a chime. Once you hear a chime, remove it again. Then repeat the process for 4 times, making 5 times. So once you hear a chime, remove the battery. Once you hear a chime, remove the battery. Once you hear a chime, remove the battery. Then once you hear the 5th chime, go ahead and cover the battery. So you want to take note that the battery has a clip. So we have 3 clips on the battery cover. Just place it accordingly on the clip hole and then turn it to the right. You're going to hear a chime again. Then that is going to reset your Apple AirTag without your iPhone. So basically why doing this will allow you to pair your Apple AirTag or connect your Apple AirTag without another iPhone, but with the same iCloud account. So if you found this helpful and informative on how to reset AirTag without iPhone, please don't forget to like and subscribe.